Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this lecture video, I will talk about the lookup function, more specifically the VLookup function, right? So if you think about the lookup function, there are two types of lookup function actually, VLookup function and HLookup function. VLookup function, it means vertically when your array table will be organized in vertically, then we can use the VLookup function. On the other hand, when the table array will be organized in the horizontally, then we can use the HLookup function, right? So it's quite easy actually. For example, here you will see in the first example, you will see here is a data set with the raw data extracted in here, right? So there are some employees ID, their last name, and their first name, right? So in the pay report table, I mean the right side of the table, we need, based on this employee ID. For example, here all the values are employees ID. There are some payment, right? So we need to identify the first name and last name from this table, right? From this table actually. Okay. So using the VLookup function, we can do it easily. For example, or just click here equal VLookup, right? Then bracket. So actually this function is asking you write down the lookup value. So this is the lookup value, we are searching this value, right? So comma, then table area. So from where we are searching our output, so this is the table area, right? Okay, comma, in the column index number. So here we are searching the first name. Please see here, the first name is in here, right? John. So in this case, the column index number from this table 1, 2, 3. In the third column, our output value will be appeared or will be. That is why we use the 3, right? And finally, this is the function true or false. If we would like to calculate it approximate match, then we can use the true, or on the other hand, if we would like to match it in exact value, then we need to write the false, right? So as these values are actually textual value and we need the exact match of the name, that is why we will use the false, FALS, right? So click here. So see here, this is the employee ID, this is the employee ID, and its first name is Brett, right? On the other hand, we're writing the last name equal V look up, right? And bracket close, this is the ID. So here is the table array, comma. So now the last name is in the second column, right? So we will write the 2 and write false, FALS, right? That's great. Enter. So please see here, this is the ID number. Here you will find the ID number. The first name is, just make it center. First name is Brett and last name is Brett, right? But problem is, if you drag and drop, you will not find all the values are right. Why? Because the table array, these values is not fixed actually. So just make it sorry, just make it a fix, right? Oh my god. Okay, so click here, control shift dollar and a $3, $6, and see $16, right? So okay, we can make it now easily possible, right? Excellent. On the other hand, say same, just write the dollar sign, and here dollar sign, and dollar sign. It means the table area fixed, right? There is no change actually. So if I drag and drop, you can see all the values actually are properly calculated, right? So this is the first example. Okay, just control S. In the second example, here you will find the two table array, right? So here is the pay report, this is the employee ID, and is the payment. We need to calculate the last name and city. So problem is the last name is in here, I mean this in here, right? And the city in here. Okay, so how we can do it? Easily, same here, equal v look up, right? So lookup value, this is the lookup value, and we need to write and search the last name. So last name is in here, okay, comma. So last name is in the second column, and false, false, right? But before that, we will write the dollar sign. Okay, write the, oh, why it's showing, not sure. Just make it manually, dollar sign, dollar sign, and dollar sign. Okay, okay, pretty. And here we look up, so this is the value, right, comma. From here actually we'll search the city. Okay, so here we'll search the city, and city name is in the second column, and false. Okay, so once, okay, so in this way you can calculate the I'm just making it a central, right? Okay, so in this way we can uh, okay, we can use the VLookup function. So this is the third example. Actually, it's the same, right? What we did in the last two examples. On the other hand, for disclaimer perspective, actually, I downloaded this Excel file from this uh, website, right? And it's free actually. And for academic practice, and I'm just using it in my classroom, and this lecture will be delivered to my student. That is why I just copy and paste, or I downloaded the file from this site and use this one, right? So okay, I hope you enjoyed the VLookup function, right? Okay, up to the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.